Hello, traders. I hope you're having a fantastic holiday season. Today is December 25th, 2024, and while it's a quieter day for most markets, there are key insights we need to discuss. I'll be breaking down the major Forex pairs, current economic trends, and what you need to watch for as the market gears up for the next workday. Grab your notepad, let's dive in. First, let's look at the big picture. The US dollar index, DXY, has been under pressure recently, sliding from last week's highs. This trend is likely tied to softer economic data and market anticipation of the Federal Reserve's next moves. With reduced liquidity today due to the holiday, we're seeing tighter ranges, but don't let that fool you, volatility could return with a bang tomorrow. Euro to US dollar has been inching higher, testing critical resistance at 1.0950. Traders should watch for a potential breakout if the dollar weakens further. However, with lower trading volume, false signals could emerge, so caution is key. Now, what's coming up that could shake the market? Here are the big ones. US initial jobless claims, scheduled for Thursday. These numbers could provide clues about the labor market's health. Eurozone inflation data, Friday brings December CPI, a key indicator for ECB policy decisions. Japanese retail sales, set for release in the early Asian session, this could impact the yen. Each of these reports has the potential to drive significant moves, so mark your calendars. Let's break it down by currency pair. Pound sterling to US dollar. The pound has been resilient, trading near 1.2600. Watch for a potential spike if the UK's retail sales data exceeds expectations. US dollar to Japanese yen. With the yen facing pressure, a lot depends on Japan's retail sales data. If we see weaker than expected figures, US dollar to Japanese yen could break above 149.50. Australian dollar to US dollar. Commodities have been in focus, with Aussie dollars supported by stronger iron ore prices. Keep an eye on the 0.6700 level. Trading after a holiday like today requires a game plan. Here are 3 quick tips. Watch the liquidity. Early sessions often have thinner markets, which can exaggerate price movements. Set alerts. Use price alerts to stay on top of critical levels. Stick to your plan, avoid chasing moves, stay disciplined. To wrap things up, the Forex market might be quieter today, but don't let your guard down. The next workday promises more action, especially with key data releases lined up. My advice? Stay focused on the fundamentals and technicals, and don't forget to manage your risk. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays and successful trading!